Hi, my name is Daniel. Welcome to the Be Empowered channel. The name is actually a play on our names for myself and my partner, which you will see in another video. He's going to do his intro and his bio or about me at a later time. We want to keep it separate. He has no idea what I'm saying, and I have no idea what he's saying, and we're just going to record it and put it up there for you guys and see how our opinions or our goals for the channel differ, and we'll work together to make it happen. Here we go. So what this channel is about. To me, this channel is about showing other people that we have no clue what we're doing and that we can still do things. We can still learn things. Since we can do it, anybody can do it. It's about empowering ourselves, empowering other people to believe in themselves so they can do the things that they just are afraid to do. Especially for me, right now, I'm definitely afraid to be speaking to people on this camera. I'm not used to it. I'm severely afraid of crowds, speaking in front of crowds. Don't like it at all. College has helped me with that, but I still hate it, and I get nervous, sweaty, and it's just one of those things to where this is just a step in the right direction. It's something that I love doing. This channel, it'll be more about cars, building cars, projects that maybe don't deal with cars, things that we'd like to do in our lives. I mean, there could be anything on this channel, mostly about cars, but can be outdoors activities, boating, fishing, hunting, possibly, mostly about cars though. I really enjoy that. I have a lot of projects coming up for you guys, and I just want to share that with you. Also, it pushes me to get things done because I'm not a lazy person, but I need a push every now and then. And I think that this channel definitely helps me get there, and I just want to share it with you guys. And you can roast this all you want in the comments. It won't hurt my feelings. This is a family-friendly channel, so just please keep it that way. Just remember that whenever you're roasting us, and that's totally okay because we have no clue what we're doing. We may not even have all the tools that we need to do the job, but we're going to do it ourselves. We're going to build things. We're going to make things to help us, whatever it takes. I don't want to copy anybody else. That's why we will do original content, as well as we may do things that other people have already done, but it's still going to be for us, and we just want to bring you guys along. There's nothing that says that we can't do that. I hope that you enjoy it. We're going to be horrible when it comes to editing and talking. We will get better. So just please bear with us, support us. Visit our Instagram page, which will be right here at the bottom. That way you can see things that don't make it into the videos, things that we've done in the past that were just before the YouTube ever put the twinkling in our thoughts. It's never occurred to us to do this on YouTube. Just personal projects, and I think that these would be good examples of how we've overcome things just that we didn't know we were afraid to do. And I hope that you guys enjoy it and just come along for the journey. If there's anything that you would like to see, please feel free to throw them down in the comments. So enough about the channel, because that's how I feel. I would just want to make sure that everybody understands that this is something that has been on my mind for a long time. And I was just afraid to do it, and now I'm in a position to where I can do it, and I'm just going to take a leap of faith and throw myself out there because I'm very self-conscious when it comes to being behind this camera and putting myself out there for everyone. But I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to send it, as they say, because I want to have fun. I want to build things, and it's just something that I'm not going to be afraid anymore. So, things about me. I love to fish. I love cars in general. I don't want to give too much away for upcoming builds, projects, things we want to do to my personal vehicles. If there's something that we want to bring to the channel once we get some support or we have the cash flow to do so, then I definitely want to bring more things. I want to do upgrades to the shop, because there are lots of things to do in there. It's a brand new shop, and there are many things that we just don't have yet and that we need. So it's in progress. So this is going to be fun for everyone. So more about me. Like I said, I love fishing. I like to hunt some. I love cars. I love my family. I have a daughter, a 10-year-old daughter, and a wife. I love them with all my heart. I'm a Christian. I love God. So without Him, none of this would be possible. So I just, first of all, want to thank God for all that He's done for me. And this will be a step in the right direction to, I think, helping people, and not even in a religious way. Which, if anybody wants to talk about God, they can definitely reach out to me. Email is below. I do have a day job, which I love, and I'm going to continue doing that. So content maybe we're going to try to do a couple times a week. If that works, we'll see. And I'm doing all the editing, so I have to make time for that and my family. And if eventually we're at the point where I can scale back on my job, then great. If not, I don't really care. It's not about the money. It's just to have fun and to bring you guys content, and just to live. And that's something that I've always wanted to do. So any other things about me. I don't want to give too much away, but I have a 2016 Mustang GT that I would like to bring to the channel, which I will post the picture right here. You can also find more about it on the Instagram page. I like to do mods to it. Whatever. It already has a few mods. I will leave that for another video. More about me. I'm actually very introverted. This is very hard for me. I don't like talking about myself. I need to address that, making a considerable effort while filming these videos or content for you guys is something that's going to be hard for me. I need to stop, slow down, think about what we're doing, how we're explaining it to you guys, and just being very cognizant of that, and still having fun in the process. So that's going to be a new chapter in my life, and that's okay, because I welcome it. It's a challenge, and I'm always up for a challenge. So I do live in the mid to northern part of the country, so we do have winter. So should be some fun things if we get some snow, and a lot of fun outside. Maybe some cool videos. Who knows? Maybe even some skiing. Definitely some donuts in the snow if we have it, which I'm sure we'll have some snow. I don't know how much. So it should be a lot of fun. I like to eat. I'm trying to lose weight, but it's not always easy because I love food. Pizza is my absolute favorite food. I do like Italian food. I love chicken. Steak is probably my second favorite food. Fridays are my steak day. I go get steak on Fridays. I go to the gym every morning. Love going to the gym. Get up at 6 a.m. Help get my daughter ready for school. Go to the gym. And work out, go to work, come home, help my daughter with her homework, and then I actually will attempt to work on projects or builds, weekends, definitely builds, projects, all the yard work, all that kind of stuff as well. But I just wanted to bring a few things to the channel, tell you about myself, tell you about the channel, and hopefully you've got some insight into what this channel will be about, and hopefully you will like that and enjoy it and laugh with us. You may get mad at us, and that's fine, but we're gonna have fun regardless, whether there's 1 subscriber or 10 million subscribers. And we would love to get 10 million subscribers, but we're gonna just take it one step at a time. And that is what I think our motto will be: one step at a time. And if you're hearing the squeaking, that is our our new puppy, which I guess you could call a shop dog. Every shop needs a dog. Every channel needs a puppy or a kitten or whatever the case may be. This is Blue. Say hi, Blue. Say hi, Blue. Look, say hi, Blue. Mm-hmm. Yeah, she's a good puppy. She's a good puppy. Glad you could meet Blue. We also have Boomer. He's been around for a little while. He's 4 years old. Blue is actually 10 weeks old. So, well, Boomer is more calmed down. He's fun. He does not like Blue too much because she likes to play and he just likes to chill. So he gets mad at her and definitely tries to fight, but she just plays. So I hope you enjoyed this this quick intro into the channel and into my life, and please stay with us, bear with us, and just enjoy the journey and the hilarity and the madness that will happen. I'm sure it's going to be chaos at first, and that's okay, but we'll learn and we'll get better together. And please point out the things we're doing wrong. Help us, because we will need it. And I hope that I hope you get joy out of it as well, as I know we will. We've already shot a couple videos for you guys, and those will be airing. Those will be uploaded soon. But I wanted to get this out first, just so you would have an idea of what to expect. I will say that they're not perfect. My editing skills are not the best yet, but I'm learning, and I intend to keep learning and maybe even take some classes to better my editing skills. So keep watching and keep looking for better content. The quality may not be there as far as the videos at first, but what we're trying to do, the overall goal will be there. You can see what we're trying to accomplish. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe and enjoy the show.